How does Facebook Pay work? Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you what is the Facebook Pay and how can you use it. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, to access the MetaPay, which is now merged into MetaPay, it is a digital payment system built in into Facebook, Messenger, Instagram or WhatsApp. For the setup, simply from the Facebook, you'll have to go to settings. For that, tap on the three lines at the top left. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And from here, tap on settings. From settings and privacy, tap on account center. From account center, you'll have to scroll down and simply tap on MetaPay. From here, you'll have to add your payment method like your debit card or credit card. Simply tap on add debit or credit card. From here, enter your card details manually. After you add your card details and secure that with your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID, you can send and receive money in Messenger or WhatsApp chats. As you can shop on Facebook Marketplace or Instagram Shop, the transactions are encrypted, so this is high security. You can also enable or turn on the extra authentication option like your PIN, biometric or Face ID. Like Meta has confirmed, it will not share card details with seller. And that's it. This is the way you can use Facebook Pay or Meta Pay on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.